Seller should take better pics of this amazing product. The material is solid and does not feel or look cheap. I was hesitant to buy, but I am super happy I finally got them. A quality product for the money. The installation is easy and only takes about an hour. Fit and finish are good. The bracket itself is metal, not cheap plastic. The paint looks nice. I would recommend going with the black color option, however. The blue I purchased does not match the dark blue purple OEM color. However, nowhere in the ad does the seller guarantee paint match, and honestly it doesn't bother me that much to begin with, so it's minor in my opinion, but if you want exact color matching you'll need to have it painted. The plate light is decent and the wires are plenty long enough to cut to size. The blinker included with this kit are decent. I would recommend extending the lead 6 inches to 12 inches prior to install, as this makes reaching the blinker connection under the driver's seat easier. Shipping was quicker than expected. Kit arrived sooner than estimated delivery date, so that's always a plus. Good product and craftsmanship, but was not what I was looking for after installed. Company let me return it with refund. Can't ask for a better customer service. Smiley face. Click link in description for more reviews.